How to turn off login alerts notification on Facebook. So turning off login alerts notification on Facebook is quite simple. Launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Don't forget to update your app to enter the latest features on it. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this menu bar, tap on the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Or else you can also scroll down and reach on the settings and privacy page. Both will take you to the same section of settings and privacy. Now tap see more in account center, and then on this page you need to scroll down and select password and security, which is under account settings. Scroll down and tap login alerts under security checks, and here select your Facebook account. Here you need to select in-app notifications and make sure that you have on check mark this in-app notifications box so that you will easily turn off login alerts notification on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.